Welcome to Blue Mountain, a hidden gem just 90 minutes away from the bustling city of Toronto. Today, we invite you on a journey to discover the natural beauty and stunning landscapes that make this destination a must-visit. Our adventure begins with a leisurely stroll through the quaint Blue Mountain town, where you'll be captivated by the charm of its historic buildings and vibrant atmosphere. As you take just a few steps further, you'll find yourself at the entrance to the open-air gondola, your gateway to the summit. Purchase your ticket and get ready for an unforgettable ride. As the gondola ascends, prepare to be swept away by the majestic splendor of the countryside. Everywhere you look, you'll be greeted with awe-inspiring vistas, and soon, you'll catch your first glimpse of Georgian Bay. At the summit, the world unfolds before your eyes. Behold the breathtaking views of Georgian Bay, a sight that will leave you speechless. In the distance you can even see Lake Superior, the second largest of the Great Lakes. Take your time to soak in the natural beauty, snap some photos, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Blue Mountain offers a connection with nature that's truly unparalleled. But our adventure doesn't end here. We're now heading to Wasaga Beach, known for being the world's longest freshwater beach, stretching over 14 kilometers. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet and let the gentle waves of Lake Huron soothe your soul. Whether you're sunbathing or taking a refreshing swim, Wasaga Beach is a haven for relaxation. As the day comes to a close, we embark on our journey back to Toronto. The twilight colors paint the rolling hills of Ontario in hues of orange and pink, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Blue Mountain and its surrounding wonders offer a perfect escape from the city, a place where natural beauty and tranquility reign supreme. So when you're seeking a memorable getaway, remember Blue Mountain, where every moment is a masterpiece. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels.